In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a phone number on PayPal. First, make sure you're already logged into your PayPal account in a web browser. From there, you want to go to your main PayPal dashboard. This is usually the summary page that shows your balance, recent activity, and any linked accounts. If you're not already on that page after logging in, look for something labeled Summary or Dashboard in the top menu and click it so we're starting from the same place. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen for a small gear icon. This gear icon is your settings button. Go ahead and click that. This will open your account settings page where you can manage your personal information, security, payments, and of course, your contact details. On the settings page, you'll see different sections like your name, email address, and phone numbers. Find the section that lists your phone numbers. You should see your primary number there, and possibly other numbers if you've added them in the past. Next to your primary phone number, there will be a link or button that says Change. Click on that. This is important because you have to go through this change option to manage or remove your existing number. When you open the phone number management screen, PayPal may not let you delete the only phone number on the account. To get around this, you need to add a new number first. Look for a button that says Add New and click on it. This step is required if you only have one phone number on file and want to remove it. You'll now see a form where you can enter another phone number. Click into the phone number field and type in the new number you want to use. Below or next to that field, there should be a drop-down menu where you can choose what kind of number it is, such as home, work, or mobile. Pick the option that best describes the number you're adding. Once you've entered the new number and selected the type, click on Add Phone Number. After it's added, you should now see both numbers listed. From here, you can make the new number your primary and then remove the old one. First, set the new number as primary if needed, and then use the remove or delete option next to the old number to